Alright y'all, the time has come. I have to pull the diff. So I'm going to try to make a video. I'm no mechanic, but I'll work with the tools I got. I took the winch wires off. I'm going to have to pull the winch. And I believe after that, if I can take the axles out of each side and the electrical plugs there, I can pull it towards the front, towards the winch, and the drive shaft to come out of the back. I'm not sure exactly what happened. I talked to some different people and they think the diff lock is broke because I was in diff lock and it was in a bind. It popped. It's leaking now. Right here is where it's leaking at somewhere. So I'm thinking maybe that seal went bad when it popped from the inside. So I'm gonna take it out, make sure the case is not cracked, and then I'm gonna open it up and get it fixed. Probably give it to somebody else. I don't know if I can trust myself sealing that thing back up, but I'll get y'all set up and we'll try to get her out of there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is break these axle nuts loose. There's a cotter pin on each side. Break the axle nut loose, and before you lift it up, take your wheels and tires off. I've already took my wheels off and I've already broke these nuts. It's just a nut in a washer. I was trying to remember what size that is. So we'll take this off each side. I also already took my brake caliper bolts off. So take them off and lay it to the side for now. And then your hub will slide off of the spines. That thing can be a pain, can't it? The spines look good there. Same thing on this side. Brake pads look good. Oh goodness. What's the difference? I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'll take the cotter pin out of the lower control arm and the upper A arm and leave the tie rod one on, and I believe when I get these out of the knuckle I can just back that axle out and just spin the knuckle off on the tie rod and let it hang there so I can pull my axles out. Oh yeah, step one was crack a bush light, and I didn't do that, so this project could go terrible. Thought there was a washer in there. 19 in a washer. I'm going to take this 10mm at the brake line, take that off so I can get that brake caliper out of the way a little more. got to use the old elbow for the upper control arm. Put all fresh cotter pins back in, please. I'll be putting that junk back in there. Right. See what I can get to come loose. Well, there's one. I bet you this thing won't. The little D-walk probably won't break it. Probably won't break it. Shoot. Big power. Now we're burning right. Burning right now. Hit him with that PB. So if anybody out there wants to make a shorter video for a quicker way to do this, it would help me too. Might not be the last time. That's what I was looking for. Take this axle out. Just leave the knuckle attached. Plunge it in. I thought that was supposed to be way harder than that. Anyways, take that out. Everything actually looks pretty good. Alright. Passenger axle is going to stay on the passenger side. I don't see any carnage yet. Keyword, yet. Next thing I'm going to do is try to pull this winch. 14mm for the outer plate. So you got this hose that goes in on this side. Like I said, that from what I can tell, I can't see on this video, but where I can see up in there good, but it looks fine from what I can tell. I know something's up because it won't lock in the diff lock. So I do believe the diff lock is broken, which is on this side from what I understand. So you got that hose over there, you got this plug, you got this plug that you have to undo, and then under this cover, 2 Phillips head, there's another plug. Plug 1, not so hard. Plug 2, very easy. understand, the diff lock is behind this cover that I'm about to take the plug out of. But like I said, I don't know enough about them to crack the case open. I think I could do it. So that's the black cover. Behind it is a bigger electrical plug. Okay. That was easy too. Which I believe is a vent hose. Alright. Now I think all that's left is seeing what's under the bottom. 14. See if the D-Wall's got it. Yep. That's alright. That wiring harness out of the way. It's coming out of the back. I'm just making sure I don't have anything else connected to it. I don't want to mess anything up. Grab it back here near the drive shaft. There it is. Well, we got her beat now, people. It's leaking, I believe this seal right here, maybe when something broke on the inside it pressed out on the case. Luckily don't look like it broke it. I'm gonna try to clean it up some and see, but at first I'm gonna take this black cover off right here, see what I can see behind it, and go from there. So I took that black cover there off. Once again, I don't see anything wrong, but heck, I don't know anything about them, so I'm gonna carry it down to my guy John Brown at 864 Off-Road and get him to hook me up. We'll see. We'll get her back rolling and we'll ride on. Hopefully going to Brimstone Labor Day weekend. We shall see.